Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are all right. And now I'm so glad to greet you even through video. Students, do you know when our country announced its independence? Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on August 17th, 1945. But do you know the figures behind country independence? Behind our country independence? Not yet? Okay, don't worry because I'd like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia. So now please listen to me. Students, we know that the proclamation of Indonesian independence gave a very important meaning to the Indonesian people, and there are 8 national figures who made it realized. Those are Mr. Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Tadasi Maida, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Melik, and PM Diah. Then the first figure is Mr. Soekarno. Insinyur Soekarno is one of the people who contributed in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as a separate state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar, East Java on June 6, 1901 and died in Jakarta on June 21, 1970. Bung Karno drafted the text of proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadasi Maida with Bung Hatta and Ahmad Subarjo. He then signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno read out the text of the proclamation of Indonesian independence at his residence at Pegangsaan Timur Street number 56, Jakarta. Number 2, Dr. Andes Haji Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 14, 1980 at the age of 77. Muhammad Hatta is Indonesia's first vice president. Number 3, Ahmad Subarjo Jojo Adi Suerjo was born in Karawang, West Java. He died at the age of 82 years. He is Indonesia's first Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role in preparing the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Number 3, Admiral Tadasi Maida was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the draft text of Proclamation of Indonesian Independence by inviting those important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. Number 4, Sukarni. Sukarni was born in Blitar, East Java on July 14, 1916. He died in Jakarta on May 7, 1971 at the age of 54. His full name is Sukarni Kartojiwirjo. Sukarni was a youth leader and a hero who was persistent against the invaders. Sukarni proposed Bung Karno and Bung Hatta to sign the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. Number 6. Fatmawati, whose real name is Fatimah, was Insinyur Sukarno's wife. She is buried. Fatmawati saved the Saka Merah Putih flag, which was raised at the proclamation of Indonesian independence at Pegangsaan Timur Street number 556, Jakarta. Number 7. Sayuti Melik is a youth leader who was also very important in the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Sayuti Melik typed the script of proclamation to perfect it from Bung Karno's handwriting. The text of the proclamation was originally handwritten by Sukarno, then typed by Sayuti Melik to make it look neat. Number 8. Burhanuddin Muhammad Diah took the original manuscript from the trust and kept it. He considered that the text had a high history. The original manuscript that were kept by B.M. Diah for 46 years were later returned to the Indonesian National. The manuscript was then kept the National Archive on Suharto's recommendation. Okay students, that's all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesians should keep this independence by raising devoted feeling to our country. And I think that all of our talk today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivated. See you next week. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.